You no longer need to visit a branch or post office to deposit a cheque. You can do this anytime in our mobile app. It's secure and easy to do. You can deposit most types of cheques if they're in pounds sterling. You can deposit single cheques up to £5,000 and multiple cheques up to a daily limit of £15,000. Here's how to do it. Once you're in the app, choose the account you want to deposit the cheque into. Tap Cheques and Stationery, then select Deposit a Cheque. Enter the cheque amount and select Continue. Next, select Take Photo of your cheque. You'll need to allow your phone to use your device's camera if you haven't already. Capture images of both the front and back of the cheque, even if the back is blank. It's best to do this against a dark background. Finally, check the details in the summary, and when you're happy, tap Deposit Now. If you have more cheques to deposit, you can tap Deposit Another Cheque and repeat the process. If you've submitted the cheque before 6 p.m, it'll be in your account within 2 working days. For more help with online banking or our mobile app, visit us here.